Hi boys and girls. Today in math we are going to be doing another subtraction story problem, but this one's different than the other two. So the first one we did a sum went away story problem. That's where you start with so many, right? And then some went away, and then they ask how many you have left. That was the first type of subtraction. Then yesterday you did one that was kind of like a part whole, right? They said, well, we have all this many and parts of the total are this way. How many are the other parts, right? Like if I said I have 12 donuts and 8 of them are chocolate, how many of them are glazed? So that's like a part whole problem. This one is a comparison problem. So in order to do this one, sometimes it's helpful to line up how many you're talking about so that you can see the difference. So this one's talking about the difference. So it makes sense, like if you're putting them in towers, like if you were using connecting cubes, you could be able to see the difference. And we did some things like this with the connecting cubes, but maybe not always applying them to story problems. So let me kind of show you what I mean. Let me read it. Maya has 8 long dresses and 5 short dresses in her closet. How many more long dresses than short dresses does Maya have? Okay, so first I'm going to go back and underline what's important. Maya has 8 long dresses. She has 5 short dresses. And then it says, how many more? That is a clue. Whenever you see how many more, you know that it's a comparison problem and they're going to be asking you to subtract. Okay, it's going to be a minus problem. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my equation down here. I know I have to put the big number first, so that's the 8. And I'm going to take away, I got 8 long, I'm going to take away the short, and that's going to tell me the difference between the two. Okay, but maybe I don't know this. I'm going to do it on my number line. So if I start with 8, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put a big dot here, label that an 8. I got to hop backwards 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did I land? 1, 2, 3. I landed on a 3. Okay, now let me show you what I mean when I say compare. Okay, 8 long dresses. So I'm going to draw a long dress. I'm just going to kind of maybe make it look like a skirt. There's a long, 8 long. See, this is math. In math, we can do quick sketches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, these dresses just kind of look like rectangles, but that's okay. 6, 7, 8. There's 8 long dresses, okay? Well, then they have 5 short dresses. So let's make these short. 1. These just look like squares, which is okay. 2 or 3. Now look what I'm doing. I am lining these up. Do you see this? That long dress has a partner with that short dress. Partner, 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 partner. These do not have partners because that's the difference. The difference is how many more. So when you line them up, a 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, a 3 and a 3, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 5, you can see how many more you have in this group because it's how much further out it goes. Okay? But in order to make it work in that picture, you have to line them up. But this type of picture really shows and explains how a comparison subtraction problem is working. Okay? It's showing the total of the long, the total of the short. They're lined up, and you can see how many more because they stick out more than the other. So you're going to get one that's a lot like this, but yours is going to be about butterflies. It's going to talk about yellow butterflies and orange butterflies, and then it's going to say how many more. So you're going to need to draw a picture very similar to mine, okay?